Hey guys, welcome to today's new video. So today I'll be reviewing these Bluetooth purple headphones that are also a translator, so that's basically what I'm doing. So I got the purple one, and what they do is that you can use them as regular headphones, or you can use them as a translator, which you can translate I think over 100 languages. So that's basically what I'm gonna review. So here they are. I'm just gonna open them up right here. Oops, I just ripped it accidentally. Okay, so I got it all set up, so I'm just gonna take them out. Hey, take them out. There it is. So I'm just gonna put it back in there and show you guys what's in the box. So you get your charging wire, and what else you also get? Hold on, I think I have it upside down. How does this go? Oh, it goes like this. You get your charging wire, and you get your little thingy that you can hang it out from. How do you hang it? Oh, it hangs from this. Okay, so I'm gonna go grab my other phone, and I'm gonna go try it out. So as you guys can see, I did connect it. So I'm just gonna play one of my videos. Okay, so they sound really loud, and I'm playing one of my videos right here, and they sound absolutely loud. It is, so what I like about these is that these don't actually go inside your ear. These just have like a thing so they don't actually go inside your ear. So like, in case you don't want them to be in your ear, or if they hurt your ear, these are I suggest. So this does come like in this little ball thing. I do like it. And right there you have your charging thing right there. And that's what it is, so that's pretty cool. So you can translate up to 100 languages. I think you can use it through the app, and it uses a little microphone here to do it. And then, like, if you're visiting a country, or you're talking to someone that don't like speaks another language, you can translate them. You can translate that into these headphones, and I'm pretty sure it works very well. If you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys like, share, subscribe, and see you guys next video. Bye.